Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering what's required: the Windows ISO and a USB drive 8 GB or larger. Once done, back up any files on the USB. This process erases it. Make sure you know whether the target machine uses UEFI versus legacy BIOS and note Secure Boot. This affects tool choices. Download Rufus or the Windows Media Creation tool now and keep your product key handy. Begin the tool, select the ISO, pick the USB device, and choose appropriate partition scheme, GPT for UEFI, M. Now you perform the core build. In Rufus or the Media Creation tool, select the downloaded ISO and the correct USB target. Choose GPT and FAT32 for UEFI systems, or MBR and NTFS for older BIOS machines. Make sure the file system supports files over 4 GB if needed. Click Start to write the image. Agree to format warnings. If you want a portable Windows, pick Windows to go where available. This creates a full, bootable Windows on USB. Wait for the write and verification to finish. Finish by testing the USB on the target PC. Reboot, enter the boot menu, and select the USB drive. You should see the Windows Installer or Portable Windows Environment start. Proceed with installation or sign in. If it fails to boot, make sure Secure Boot is off. Retry with the alternate partition scheme, or remake the USB with Rufus using a different file system. If you hit driver or activation errors, connect to the internet. Install chipset and storage drivers, and enter your product key when prompted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.